Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix local security authority protection is off in your Windows. So I will show you how to fix it. So first of all, you have to just open your system settings, and while opening your system settings you have to just click and open the apps folder, and here you can see the list of the apps that has been downloaded in your PC or system. You have to just search in the search bar for the Windows security. As I have not installed in my system, so I will show you the method. You have to just follow the same, but you must open the Windows security app here and then click on it, and you will find an option of the advanced settings. Just click on it like this. So once you find here your Windows security, this type of the interface, you have to just scroll down, and here you will find an option of the reset and the repair. You have to just click on the repair first, and after completing this repairing you have to just click on the reset option. So after completing this process you have to just close this window and now move to the next step. Open your run box by pressing Window plus R at once, and then search here for reg edit and then click OK. And then expand the option H key local machine, and then expand the systems option here. Once you expand it, you have to just find here the current control set option and expand it, and expand the control option here, and then you have to just scroll down here and find the LSA option in this list. Once you find it, you have to just click on it. After clicking, you will find a lot of the options in the right side of this page. You have to just click on this option which is named as the restrict anonymous. But make sure that there are the two options about this name. You have to just select the one which has the value as 0. So you can see that here is the value is 0. You have to just right click on it and then click on the modify. So here you have to just update this value from 0 to 2 and then press OK. So after this you have to just restart your system. One time after restarting your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video, and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide.